Let's make mango milk juice. Choose your best soda water. Coconut custard. Gelatin 5 grams. Refrigerate for 10 minutes. Gelatin mix in coconut milk. Fill with milk and freeze it. Enjoy it. Next one is orange mango juice. It's delicious. 101. Cut orange and mango. Add fruits. Contains pure rose powder. Shredded coconut. Ice and milk. Enjoy your day. Next is the watermelon juice, creamy chocolate design. Cut watermelon. Grind it. Make design with creamy chocolate recipe. Crush it. Make a glass for yourself and like the video. Last one is a most unique drink. It's a Fuji drink. Add 100 grams hot water in butterfly pea flowers. Add 10 grams white jelly powder and refrigerate for 10 minutes. To extract coffee. Add 10 grams white jelly powder to 100 grams hot coffee and refrigerate. If you like these drinks, please like our video and subscribe channel.